Good evening, Amma. Today we discuss about Ctenophora. Okay? Yes, first phylum is Ctenophora. Yes, today we discuss about Ctenophora. Yesterday I completed Porifera nidaria. Okay? So yourself. Yesterday you completed, you read Ctenophora and Porifera. Yes. నేను లైట్లు వేసారు ఇవి ఎక్కువ లైటింగ్ అనిపిస్తుంది. Yes, today we discuss about Ctenophora. So what is the Ctenophora? Mostly not. These all are marine organisms. All are marine. You know what is the meaning of marine? Live in salt water, sea water. All are marine. Yes, they are exhibit radial symmetry. They are exhibit radial symmetry. You know radial symmetry? Spherical body, a round body. That body is a round shape. When they have the round shape, that is called radial symmetry. These are also exhibit the tissue grade organization. They have the tissue grade organization. So they have the tissue grade organization. Tissues are present. First time tissues formed in the nidaria. Porifera only cells. Here also what is the tissues are there? Cells are closely arranged. One cell to other cell between nerve cells, coordinating cells. That's why what is the tissues are formed. Then you see digestion. You take the what is this digestion. Digestion is extracellular digestion and intracellular digestion also. Intracellular digestion also. Same nidaria. Nidarians also have the extracellular and intracellular digestion. These animals also have the extracellular and intracellular digestion. Okay. Next one, you see, they are diploblastic organisms. They are diploblastic organisms. Body is covered by two layers, outer ectoderm, inner endoderm. Two layers are there. First time diploblastic organisms are nidarians. Porifera body also covered by two layers, panacoderma, coenoderma, but is not a true germ layers. First time true germ layers start in nidaria. These are also what? Diploblastic organisms. Yes, these organisms main character, unique character is they exhibit the bioluminescence. They exhibit the bioluminescence. What is the meaning of bioluminescence? Emitting light. So the bioluminescence is called cold light. That is called what? Cold light. Cold light means they emitting light. In the light no heat. So this is the light. In the light somewhat heat is there. Sun produce what is that light. In the light temperature is there. These animals produce light. In the light no temperature. That is called what? Cold light. Any doubts? So emitting light is called what is that? Bioluminescence. Only sexual reproduction occurs. Only sexual reproduction occurs. Only sexual reproduction. Only sexual reproduction occurs. Asexual reproduction not there. Then development is indirect development. Development is indirect development. Development is indirect development. Okay? Indirect development means what is this? Larva present. Larva is there. Any doubt? Larva present, that is called indirect development. Only sexual reproduction. Yes, bioluminescence occurs. They are diploblastic. Digestion is extracellular and intracellular digestion. Tissue grade organization. Radial symmetry. Marine. No exception. There is no exception. All are marine. Okay? Fertilization is external fertilization. Fertilization is external fertilization. You know what is the meaning of external fertilization? Sperm and ovum fused in water. Sperm, male organisms, female organisms release sperms and ovum into water. Sperm and ovum fertilized in the water is called what? External fertilization. Generally, this ctenophora organisms, this ctenophora organisms is called, comb jellies. They are commonly known as comb jellies. Any doubt? Comb jellies, also known as what is that? Walnuts, sea walnuts. Also known as sea walnuts. They are comb jellies, also known as sea walnuts. Yes, this is the ctenophora body. This is ctenophora body. The body have the 8 comb plates. The body have the 8 comb plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 8 comb plates. This is the body. The body have 8 comb plates. Okay? The comb plates are useful for locomotion. Comb plates are useful for locomotion and food collection. Useful for locomotion and what is this? Food collection. Okay? So what is the example of ctenophora? So for example, ctenoplana. Ctenoplana is one example. Ctenoplana. Okay. So ctenoplana is one example. Next, fluorobranchia. Fluorobranchia is another example. Yes, they are the ctenophora characters. Any doubt? What is the ctenophora? Ctenophoras are marine. All are marine. They are commonly known as comb jellies, also known as sea walnuts. The body is covered by 8 comb plates, useful for locomotion and food collection. They exhibit the radial symmetry. Yes, tissue grade organization. Tissues are formed. Digestion is extracellular and intracellular digestion. Yes, they are the diploblastic organisms. Body is covered by 2 germ layers, ectoderm and endoderm. Yes, they exhibit the bioluminescence, cold light. Reproduction is only sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction absent. Development is indirect development. So indirect means larvas are there. You understand? So external fertilization occurs. External fertilization occurs. Example, ctenoplana, fluorobranchia. Yes, now completed the ctenophora. Only NEET based. So this class is only NEET based class. Okay. So I'm talking about only NEET points. Okay, NEET based. You can follow only these points. That's enough. Any doubt here? So most of the characters have the what? Some have the Cnidarian characters. In the ctenophora have the some Cnidarian characters like radial symmetry. This is the Cnidaria character. This is the tissue grade organization. Digestion extracellular and intracellular. Diploblastic organisms. Indirect development. Am I right? They are the what is this Cnidaria characters. Any doubt? Now completed. Okay, next now going to next phylum. So today we discuss about next phylum. So Platyhelminthes. Today we discuss about Platyhelminthes. Yes. Today we discuss about Platyhelminthes. You listen here. So first point, platy means what is this? Flat. Helminthes. What is the meaning of helminthes? Worms. They are known as what is that? Flatworms. They are known as flatworms. Body is dorsoventrally flattened. This is dorsal. This is ventral. Dorsoventrally what? Flattened. Like this. Okay, they are flatworms. Ribbon worms. Also known as tapeworms. You know measuring tape? Measuring tape also flat. Ribbon also flat. That is called what? Flatworms or ribbon worms. Tapeworms. Yes. Second point, most of the Platyhelminthes organisms are endoparasites. Most of the Platyhelminthes organisms are what? Endoparasite. They are enter into host body. Parasites enter into host body, which live inside of the host body. Which live inside of the host body. That is called endoparasites. Any doubts? Okay. So you listen here. These organisms are triploblastic. These organisms are triploblastic. They are the first triploblastic phylum. Platyhelminthes is the first triploblastic phylum. Yes, you see, this is the body. Body is covered by 3 layers. Outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm, inner endoderm. Any doubts? 3 layers are there. Body is covered by 3 layers. Outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm, inner endoderm. 3 germ layers are there. First time 3 germ layers are formed in the Platyhelminthes. They are the triploblastic. They are the first bilateral symmetry organisms. Bilateral symmetry organisms. They are exhibit first bilateral symmetry. You listen here, lateral. What is the meaning of lateral? 2 sides. This is one side, this is one side. You cut the organism through central axis, like it comes 2 equal parts. You cut the organism through central axis, comes to 2 equal parts, is called what? Bilateral symmetry. First bilateral symmetry organisms, Platyhelminthes. Any doubt? Next one is what? First organ and organ system level of organization. Organ and organ system level of organization. You understand? Organs, then organ systems. Both are formed in the Platyhelminthes. Cnidarians, tissues are formed. Ctenophora also tissues. But here, organs. You take what is this? Cells. Cells are fused into tissues. Tissues are fused into organs. Organs fused into organ systems. Organ systems fused into organism. Means tissues are fused from the organ. Organs are fused from the organ systems. First time organ and organ system level formed in the Platyhelminthes. Organ and organ system both level is there. Okay. Yes, this is the point. Most of the these are the organisms are endoparasite mostly. Mostly endoparasites. You understand? You listen here, they are leaving the host body, inside of the body. For example, you listen here, this is the human alimentary canal. This is human alimentary canal. This is human gut. Yes, you take what is a parasite. That parasite leaving the human alimentary canal. This is the parasite. You listen here, this is a parasite. This is gut, human gut. In a human gut, parasite is there. In the parasite, no gut. Parasite which live in the human gut, but in parasite, no gut. Any doubts? One more point. Here, this is alimentary canal, human alimentary canal. In human alimentary canal, what is that food is there? Digested food. Digested food absorbed by the parasite body wall. Human digested food directly absorbed by the what is that parasite body wall. Food enter into parasite body through parasite body wall. Means absorption of food through body wall from the man intestine. Because in the parasite no alimentary canal. You understand? For example, in the parasite you see hooks and suckers are there. In parasite body you take the parasite body. Parasite body hooks and suckers are present. Parasite body hooks and suckers are present. With the help of hooks and suckers, the parasite hold the man intestine. Hold the man intestine. You understand my point? Did you get my point? Parasite have the hooks and suckers. With the help of hooks and suckers, parasite attached to the human alimentary canal. That's why parasite not comes out easily. You understand? That is a parasitic adaptation. Hooks or suckers are there. With the help of hooks and suckers, hold to human intestine. That's why parasite not comes out easily. Then parasite taking the food from human intestine, absorbed by body wall, parasite body wall. Because in the parasite no alimentary canal. Parasite have the hooks and suckers. That is the parasitic adaptation. You understand? Parasites, platyhelminthes organisms are bisexual. Bisexual organisms. Parasites, platyhelminthes organisms are what? Bisexual. Bisexual other name is what? Monoecious. Monoecious. Any doubt? Bisexual or what is this? Monoecious. Okay, or hermaphrodite. Both male and female reproductive organs present in one body is called what? Bisexual. Also known as monoecious, also known as hermaphrodite. Okay, their life cycle is very complex. Their life cycle is complex life cycle. They have the what is this complex life cycle? Okay, they have the complex life cycle because in their life history larvae are there. When larvae are there, development is what is this? Indirect development. Larvae are there, many larvae are there. Larvae are there, indirect development. Many larvae are there, that is called complex life cycle. You understand? So when larva is there, indirect development. Many larvae are there, the life cycle is very complex life cycle. You understand? For example, in the platyhelminthes, you see, first type, in platyhelminthes first type, flame cells are formed. Platyhelminthes first time flame cells. Protonephridias are formed. Yes. In the platyhelminthes first time flame cells are protonephridias formed. The flame cells primary function is osmoregulation. Osmoregulation. What is the meaning of osmoregulation? Balance to the body fluids concentration. Secondary function is what is this? Excretion. Secondary function is what is this? Excretion. Okay, that is the main point. In platyhelminthes flame cells are there. Flame cells other name is protonephridias. Protonephridias are useful for what? Osmoregulation. Primary function. Secondary function is what? Excretion. Okay, so this is the important. In the platyhelminthes, planarians are there. Planarians. Platyhelminthes, planarians are there. These planarians are free living. Planarians are what is that? Free living. All are parasites. most of the platyhelminthes are endoparasites, but planarians are free living. Okay, they have the high power of regeneration. They have the, what is this, high power of regeneration. High power of regeneration. Any doubt? What is the meaning of regeneration? If body cut it into pieces, each piece develops as a new organism. Each piece develops as a new organism. That is the capacity. That is the regeneration power. Okay. For example, what is the example for platyhelminthes? Taenia solium. You take the example, Taenia solium. Taenia solium is called tapeworm. Am I right? Taenia solium is called tapeworm. Second example is what is that? Fasciola. Fasciola is called liver fluke. Fasciola is called what? Liver fluke. They are the examples. Yes, now completed what? Platyhelminthes. Simple. Just you follow these points. Only NEET point of view. Okay? Yes, what is a platy? Platy means flat. Helminthes means worms. They are the flat worms. Most of the platyhelminthes are endoparasites, which live in the host body. That is the point. When it live in the host body, it enter into host body parts, which enter into host body parts like gut, liver, RBC. Then it is eating the host body parts, causing the disease. Am I right? Yes, they are the first triploblastic organisms. Then first bilateral symmetry organisms. First organ and organ system level of organization. Okay, parasite body is a very simple body. In the parasite, no sense organs. Eyes, nose, ear, mouth. Like sense organs are absent. Parasite body is very simple body, but life cycle is complex. You understand? Yes, the parasite have the hooks and suckers. Hold to human alimentary canal. It is not comes out easily. In the parasites, most of the parasites in platyhelminthes, if you take the Taenia solium, in the Taenia solium, no gut. In the Taenia solium is a parasite. Taenia solium is a parasite. In the Taenia solium, no gut, no alimentary canal, but which live in human gut. In Taenia solium, hooks and suckers are there. With the help of hooks and suckers, hold the alimentary canal, which absorb our nutrients through body surface, body wall. Am I right? And one more point, they are bisexual. Bisexual means monoecious, hermaphrodite. Both male and female reproductive organs present in one body is called bisexual. Life cycle is complex life cycle. Am I right? Life cycle complex. Why called complex? Many larvae are there. Development is indirect. Why call indirect development? Larvae are there. Yes, flame cells are formed in the platyhelminthes. Flame cells, other name is protonephridias. Primary function osmoregulation, secondary function excretion. All platyhelminthes organisms are parasite mostly, but planarians are free living. They have the high power of regeneration. Am I right? And last one point, fertilization is internal. Fertilization is internal. In platyhelminthes, fertilization is internal. Any doubt? Sperm and ovum fertilized inside of the body is called what? Internal fertilization. Fertilization is internal. Example is Taenia solium, Fasciola hepatica, liver fluke. Taenia solium is commonly known as what? Tapeworm. Taenia solium commonly known as tapeworm. Yes, they are the platyhelminthes characters. Any doubt, Amma? Okay. So is it clear? You have any doubts? No. Okay. Next, now going to the another phylum. So we are discussing, so next phylum, Nematihelminthes. Nematihelminthes. nematohelminthes, also known as nematoda, also known as Acharya, also known as what is this Acharya? Any doubt? Okay. So there are the nematohelminthes, nematoda, Acharya. Generally, they are commonly known as roundworms. Yes, you take this first point. They are commonly known as roundworms. What is the meaning of roundworms? Their body is a round shape like this. Body is a round shape. You understand? If you cut the body transversely, it will come round pieces. So like body is a round, body is what is a round. So this is called roundworms. Any doubt? There are also what is this triploblastic organisms. So triploblastic organisms. Generally they are second triploblastic. What is the first triploblastic? Platy. They are second triploblastic. They are also second bilateral symmetry organisms. Bilateral symmetry. They exhibit bilateral symmetry. Any doubt? Platyhelminthes, this also exhibits what? Bilateral. You listen here, they are also exhibit organ and organ system level of organization. This is the second phylum. Organs and organ systems both are there. One more point, yes, they are pseudocoelomates. They are pseudocoelomates. Actually, one point is forgot in the platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes are acoelomates. Am I right? Platyhelminthes are acoelomate. Acoelomate means no coelo. Coelo means body cavity. Body cavity means empty space. Inside of the body, no empty space. It's called acoelo. Here what is that? They are pseudocoelomates. False coelom is present. Some part of body have the cavity, small cavity. That is called pseudocoelomates. False coelom is present. Any doubt? So they are the pseudocoelomates. Yes, they are mostly what is this? Parasites. They are mostly what is that? Parasites. Most of the nematohelminthes are parasites. Okay. They show the parasitism on plants and animals. They show the parasitism on plants and animals. Okay. Most of the organisms are parasites. Exhibits parasitism on plants and animals. Some are free living. Some are free living. You see, some are free living. Free living organisms means some organisms live in the water is called aquatic. Some are live on land is called terrestrial. Is called terrestrial. Mostly parasites exhibit the parasitism on plants and animals. Some are free living. Free living means which live in the water, aquatic. Some are live on land is called what? Terrestrial. Any doubt? They are unisexual. You listen here. They are unisexual. Any doubt? Unisexual. Unisexual means male and female organisms are separate. Dioecious. Any doubt? So they are unisexual, dioecious. Dioecious organisms, unisexual dioecious. Okay? They exhibit the sexual dimorphism. Dimorphism. They exhibit the sexual dimorphism. What is the meaning of sexual dimorphism? With the help of external features, we can find out the male organism and female organism. Based on external characters, we can easily identify the male and female. For example, here one person is there, human being. Here one human being is there. Based on external characters, that person is male or female, you can identify it. Am I right? First is a dress code or external characters, male or female. Here also, with the help of external characters, we can easily find out the male female. That is called sexual dimorphism. Okay? For example, you see, you listen here, this is the female organism. This is female. You listen here, this one is the what? Male organism. Yes. So this one is the female, this one is the what? Male. This is sexual dimorphism. Female is longer than male. Female is a straight body. Female is longer than male. So this is male, small. Posterior side is curved. Posterior side is what? Curved. Posterior side is curved. Means this is the male, straight body is known as what? Female. Based on external character, what is the male, what is the female, we can easily find out. Okay? That is called sexual dimorphism. They are unisexual. Male, female organisms are separate. They are live in the human body. For example, you take the Ascaris. Ascaris which live in human body. Okay? They are both are copulated in human body. Okay? So male release the sperm, female release the ovum. Male release sperm into female body. Female release ovum. Sperm and ovum fertilized in the female body. That is called fertilization is internal. Fertilization is internal. Any doubt? Fertilization is internal. Sperm and ovum fertilized in female body is called internal fertilization. Development is direct. Some animals. Some animals indirect. Yes, some parasite development is direct. Some nematoda, nematohelminthes, some nematodes development is direct, some nematode development is indirect. Direct means no larvas. Indirect means what? Larvas are there. No larvas means they produce directly baby. So the baby is resembling to the mother, resembling to their parents. Resembling means similar. So direct developments, some parasites give the birth to their young ones. The young ones similar to their parents. Okay. In some life history, larvas are there. That is called what? Indirect development. That is called what? Indirect development. Yes. So first time in the nematoda, nematohelminthes, complete gut formed. In the nematoda, yes, you see, first time in the nematoda, complete gut. Gut means alimentary canal. Mouth with anus. Mouth with anus. So this is anus, this one is the mouth. Complete gut. Mouth with anus. First time a complete gut formed. Their pharynx is muscular. Their pharynx is muscular pharynx. Muscular pharynx. Okay? So this is the point. First time complete gut, mouth with the anus is formed. Muscular pharynx is present. Okay? One more point. In these organisms, excretory pores, excretory tubes are there. Excretory tubes and excretory pores are there. Excretory pores. Through excretory tubes, what is that excretory material? Transported. Through excretory pores comes out. For example, this is the body, nematoda body, this is. Inside what is this? Excretory tubes are there. They are excretory tubes. Excretory tubes opens outside through what? Pores. Okay. excretory product released into the tubes and pores come out. You understand? In the body, excretory material is there, fecal material. The fecal material enter into tubes, tubes to pores, pores to out. Any doubt? Means excretory material comes out through tubes and excretory pores. That is the importance of excretion. Okay. Finally, examples. Final example, what is this? Ascaris. You see, Ascaris. Ascaris is known as what is that? Roundworm. Any doubt? Ascaris is known as what? Roundworm. Eukaryaria. Eukaryaria. Eukaryaria is known as what? Filaria worm. Any doubt? Ankylostroma hookworm. Any doubt? Ankylostroma is known as hookworm. There are the examples. Ascaris is roundworm. Eukaryaria is a flatworm. So Ankylostroma is known as hookworm. This is the nematoda, nematohelminthes characters. Okay? Only for NEET. Only for NEET. So you see, nematohelminthes also known as nematoda, also known as oschelminthes. They are commonly known as roundworms. Their body is a round. If you cut the body transversely, round piece will come, round shape. Yes, triploblastic organisms. 3 layer, ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. Bilateral symmetry organisms. Yes, organ and organ system level of organization. Yes, they are pseudocoelomates. False coelom is present. Mostly they are the parasites. They exhibit the parasitism on plants and animals. Some are free living. They are free living in the water and land. When they are live in water is called aquatic. When they are live on land is called what? Terrestrial. They are unisexual. Am I right? Both sexes are separate. They exhibit the sexual dimorphism. Male and female organisms are we find out easily. Male is the straight, long. Female is the short. Posterior side is what? Curved. Am I right? With the help of external features, which is a male worm, which is a female worm, we can find out. Okay. Development is direct or indirect. Both is there, both. Direct means it gives the birth to babies. Any doubt? Next one, some are indirect. Larvas are there. Okay. Next one is fertilization is internal. Fertilization is internal. First time complete gut formed. Mouth with anus. But in the alimentary canal, muscular pharynx is there. In alimentary canal, what is there? Muscular pharynx. Okay. And excretion. Excretion occurs through excretory tubes and pores. Example, Ascaris, roundworm. Eukaryaria, filaria worm. Ankylostroma, hookworm. Now completed the nematohelminthes nematoda. Okay? Yes. ఇంతవరకు చాలా